Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video in Python Tally series. In this video, I am going to show you how to get outstanding report like outstanding payable and outstanding receivables from Tally using Python and Flask framework. So let's start this video. So this is XML payload which we have to send to Tally for getting bills payable. So here in this request, the type is data and ID, the report name is bills payable, which is the default report name in Tally. So in Tally, I will show you the bills payable report. So go to display, statement of accounts, outstanding and outstanding payables. So this is the outstanding payables report which we are going to get using XML request. Now for outstanding receivables, we have to change its ID to outstanding receivables. So that simple it is. That's it. So now we are going to get outstanding receivables from Tally. So this is the outstanding receivables report which we are going to get from Tally. So and also there are other few tags which are common tags. They are export format and also from date and to date for the report. So now let's do it in Python. This is the application developed using Python and Flask framework. So I given the link for the project which is on GitHub. You can go to that link and see how it works. So now let's run this application. Let me run this. Yeah. So the application is started on running on port 5000. So let me open the link. So this is how the application looks like. So this is the home page. Here we have an option for selecting report type. So first I'm selecting bills receivable, then I'm mentioning from date as 1420 and to date as 1520. So let's click on submit button. So we got the report. So we got the bills receivable from Tally. Now let's go back to home page and now select bills payable. Let's change the date to 1620 and hit on submit button. So this time we got bills payable report. So that's it guys. That's how it works. That's all guys. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next video.